everyone, I'm Sara Clayton with the K Grant Group. I'm here at my newest listing in Arrowhead Lakes. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath house. My favorite part, we actually sit right on the lake. There's a huge dock, perfect for entertaining, and the owner spared no expense with the upgrades in this house. I'm super excited for you to check it out, so let's go see. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this home or any others, please give me a call. My name's Sara Clayton with the K Grant Group.